Good morning students. I am here with the second video of this particular topic, that is real numbers. So you remember in the first video I have told you this representation A is equals to BQ plus R according to Euclid's division lemma, where A and B are real numbers and Q and R is quotient and remainder. Don't forget that this is very important. Let's start with few of the questions of this chapter. So the first question says, show that every positive even integer is of the form 2q. We are talking about every positive even integer. Positive भी होना चाहिए, even भी होना चाहिए, is of the form 2q. And that every positive odd integer is of the form 2q plus 1. बेटा 2q. 2 क्या है? Even number है. किसी भी number से multiply करोगे you'll get the even digit, right? 2q plus 1 क्या है? Just next number to that even number. तो ये तो odd number हो गए. Okay? So let's start with the solution. Let a be any positive integer and b is equals to 2. a कोई भी positive integer हम ले लेते हैं इस particular equation के हिसाब से. कोई भी question आप solve करेंगे, even if you try any of the question of Euclid division lemma, remember this is the basic. You have to start according to this particular equation only. Alright? There is nothing beyond this particular equation till your level. So, let a be any positive integer and b is equals to 2. Why b is equals to 2? a is equals to bq plus r. b 2q. Okay? q के साथ क्या लगा है? 2 लगा है. So, will be b is equals to 2. Then by Euclid's division lemma, there exists q and r. अब तो यूक्लिड डिवीजन लेमा है, ए एंड बी है, डिवाइड हो रहा है, तो भाई क्यू एन आर तो आएगा ही. व्हेन यू आर डिवाइडिंग टू नंबर्स you'll definitely get a quotient and a remainder, right? So then by Euclid division lemma there exists q and r such that a is equals to 2q plus r, such that a is equals to 2q plus r, which is our Euclid division lemma equation, where remainder, that is r, should be greater than or equal to 0. हमने करा नेगेटिव तो हो नहीं सकता रिमाइंडर, लास्ट वीडियो देखना अगर नहीं देखा है तो. That should be greater than or equal to 0 and that should be smaller than 2. 2 से छोटा होना चाहिए और 0 से बड़ा होना चाहिए. क्यों 2 से छोटा होना चाहिए? मैंने आपको लास्ट वीडियो में बताया है. प्लीज गो एंड चेक दैट. So now r should be greater than or equal to 0 and smaller than 2. So बेटा 0 से बड़ा हो या इक्वल हो और 2 से छोटा हो, कौन सा नंबर ऐसा नंबर है? मुझे तो एक ही नंबर पता चलता है, वो 1 है, right? So any number which number is greater than or equal to 0 and smaller than 2. So equal to 0 is 0 of course, but greater than 0 and smaller than 2 will be 1. So we are taking this equation now. This implies that r could be greater than equal to 0 or smaller than or equal to 1 also, right? So therefore r can be only two numbers, 0 or 1. या तो 0 होगा या तो 1 होगा, 2 तक तो जाएगा ही नहीं. So putting r equal to 0 in this particular equation, you will get r को 0 डाला, you will get a is equals to 2q, and if you are putting r is equals to 1, then you will get a is equals to 2q plus 1. So we are here with only two solutions of a, that is a is equals to 2q and 2q plus 1. So if a is equals to 2q, then a is an even integer, of course. Multiple of even number will be an even number. And if a is equals to 2q plus 1, then that will be an odd number, of course, because even number added by 1 always gives an odd number. Proceeding to the next question. Question second says, show that any positive odd integer is of the form 4q plus 1 and 4q plus 3. Repeating this part again. Show that any positive odd integer, positive भी है, odd integer भी है, is of the form 4q plus 1. Positive है, odd है, तो of course सिर्फ 4q होता तो it would have become an even integer. But with 4q plus 1 added, with an even in number, 1 is added, it gives always an odd number. Similarly here, plus 3 भी है तो ये क्या हो जाएगा? odd number हो जाएगा. plus 2 होगा तो क्या हो जाएगा? even number हो जाएगा. क्योंकि 4q always an even number, उसमें 2 ऐड करोगे तो फिर से आपको एक even number ही मिलता है. Where q is some integer. So the question says, show that any positive odd integer is of the form 4q plus 1 and 4q plus 3, where q is some integer. So we are doing the solution now. Let a be any odd positive number, कोई भी odd positive number होगा a, again this equation there, this equation, okay. So let a be any odd positive integer and b equals to 4. So by Euclid division lemma there exists integer q and r such that a is equals to 4q plus r. अभी बार बार बताने की जरूरत क्यों नहीं है ना कि q and r क्यों होगा बेटा, q क्वोशंट है, r रिमाइंडर है, a और b क्या है, डिविडेंड एंड डिवाइजर है. तो अगर आप a और b को डिवाइड करोगे तो एक क्वोशंट एक रिमाइंडर तो आना जायज है, आएगा ही आएगा. ओके, सो कीप इट इन माइंड दैट दिस इज द बट ऑफ इस फैक्ट. कोई भी नंबर आपको ऐसे ही मिलेगा, a आपको तभी मिलेगा जब आप b से q को मल्टीप्लाई करके r को प्लस करोगे. रिमेंबर दैट 58 डिवाइडेड बाय 6 जो हमने लास्ट क्लास में किया था. ओके, so let a be any odd positive integer and b is equals to 4. By Euclid division lemma there exists integer q and r such that a is equals to 4q plus r, where r should be greater than or equal to 0 and should be smaller than 4. 0 so smaller than 4 होना चाहिए, greater than equal to 0 होना चाहिए. इतना तो आपको समझ आ गया. smaller than 4 में 3 ही नंबर आते हैं 0 के बाद, 1 2 and 3. we get only 3 numbers after 0, that is 1 2 and 3. So putting r is equal to 0 in a is equals to 4q plus r, we get a is equals to 4q. If we'll put r is equals to 1 2 and 3 in a is equals to 4q plus r, we'll get 4q plus 1, 4q plus 2, 4q plus 3. Now the total values of a which we will get is a is equals to 4q, 4q plus 1, 4q plus 2 and 4q plus 3. A cannot be equal to 4q and 4q plus 2. Why? Because our question only demands about the positive odd integer, not the even numbers, right? So we need not consider the even outputs of this particular equation. So a cannot be equal to 4q and a cannot be equal to 4q plus 2, as a is an odd integer. So therefore a is equals to 4q plus 1 and 4q plus 2, 4q plus 3, sorry. Hence proof. So we have proven this particular question. So easy, so smooth, right? You just have to remember this. Now next question says, show that square of any odd integer, show that square of any odd integer, again an odd integer is there, is of the form 4q plus 1 for some integer q. What we are saying now कि कोई भी integer एक q है, ठीक है, और अगर आप किसी भी ऑड इंटीजर को स्क्वायर करते हैं तो उसका जो फॉर्म आएगा वो 4q plus 1 के ही फॉर्म में आएगा. ओके, थोड़ा सा पिछले क्वेश्चन से थोड़ा सा डिफरेंट है. सो हम सोल्यूशन करेंगे. लेट x बी एनी ऑड इंटीजर, x कुछ भी ले लो, देते ही आए हो तब से. लेट x बी एनी ऑड इंटीजर सच दैट x इज इक्वल्स टू 2m plus 1. 2m plus 1 के फॉर्म में रहेगा कौन, x. वाई 2 क्या है, इवन है, 2 का मल्टीपल क्या हो जाएगा, इवन हो जाएगा. प्लस 1 करोगे तो ऑड आएगा ना, यू विल गेट एन ऑड नंबर आफ्टर योर इफ यू एड 1 टू अ पॉजिटिव इंटीजर. सो x इज इक्वल्स टू any odd integer. So we have written it in the smallest form. We could have written 2m plus 3 also, we could have written 2m plus 5 also, but we will just start with the, we will consider only the smallest value so that it will become easier for us, no difficulty in further calculation. So squaring both the sides, because we have to talk about the square, right? So we'll square, after squaring both the sides, you'll get x square is equals to 4m square plus 4m plus 1. From where have you got this? A plus b whole square का formula याद है? A plus b whole square is equals to a square plus b square plus 2ab. So x square is equals to 4m square plus 4m plus 1. So x square is equals to 4 if we will take common. So m square plus m remains inside plus 1. So m square plus m can be written as quotient. Why? You look at this equation. This again comes in the format of a plus b is equals to bq plus r again, right? It is in the same format. So square, आप m square plus m की जगह q लिख देंगे plus 1. So where m square plus m is equals to q. So again we have done 3 different type of question. One was talking about the even thing, another one talking about the odd aspect of it, and third one was talking about the square aspect of this particular, the questions related to the real numbers. I hope this video makes it very easy and clear for you to do all these kind of a question. So thank you for today. I'll upload another video very soon. Thank you.